Top 7 Best Portable Air Conditioner 2026. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 7. LG 14,000 BTU Portable AC for 700 square feet. This isn't just cooling, it's climate control on wheels. Perfect for large rooms, camper vans, or sun-drenched offices, this 14,000 BTU Portable AC delivers powerful, energy-efficient relief across up to 700 square feet. Unlike bulky window units or underpowered alternatives, its 3-in-1 design cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air, quietly and efficiently. The included remote and quick install kit means setup takes minutes, not hours. No permanent modifications, no hassle. Whether you're escaping summer heat or creating a comfortable workspace, it adapts instantly. You'll feel the difference immediately: crisp, consistent airflow that transforms stifling spaces into refreshing sanctuaries. While it excels in open areas, extremely high ceilings or drafty rooms may require slight adjustments for optimal performance. But for most homes, RVs, or temporary setups, it's the smart, mobile solution you've been waiting for. Stay cool, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. Number 6. BLACK+DECKER Pack 12 WT Portable AC for 550 square feet rooms. Beat the heat without breaking the bank. This BLACK+DECKER Portable AC cools rooms up to 550 square feet with 12,000 BTU power, 8,000 SACC, all while sipping energy efficiently. Perfect for renters, apartment dwellers, or anyone avoiding costly ductwork, it's a plug-and-play climate solution. Unlike bulky window units that block light and views, this sleek white unit rolls effortlessly on casters and includes a complete window kit for quick setup. The standout? Follow me, remote that senses your location, ensuring personalized cooling right where you are. Dual hose design boosts efficiency compared to single hose models, pulling in fresh air while expelling hot exhaust. Whisper quiet operation means undisturbed sleep or focused work. While it's not designed for extreme desert climates, it excels in typical summer conditions. Stay cool, save space, and reclaim comfort, without permanent installation or sky-high bills. Number 5. DREO AC 318S Portable Smart Air Conditioner. This isn't just cooling, it's climate control reimagined. The DREO AC 318S delivers 8,000 BTU OSHRI power in a sleek, portable design that cools your bedroom without draining your peace or your patience. Perfect for renters, city dwellers, or anyone craving smart comfort, it operates at a whisper-quiet 45 dB, so you sleep deeper. Unlike bulky competitors, it offers drainage-free cooling for hassle-free use, and with app, voice, or remote control, adjusting your environment is effortless. Whether you're winding down after work or beating the midday heat, it responds instantly. It's not just efficient, it's intuitive. While it excels in rooms up to 300 square feet, larger spaces may need supplemental cooling. But for targeted, smart relief, this unit sets the bar. Sleek, powerful, and whisper quiet, DREO doesn't just cool your space. It elevates it. Number 4. BrandX 14,000 BTU Smart Portable AC with Remote. This isn't just cooling, it's climate control mastery in one sleek, freestanding unit. Perfect for renters, apartment dwellers, or anyone upgrading their home comfort without ductwork. This 14,000 BTU portable AC delivers powerful relief for spaces up to 700 square feet. Unlike bulky window units that block light and limit airflow, this 3-in-1 powerhouse cools, fans, and dehumidifies, all while gliding effortlessly on casters. The remote control, smart/sleep mode, and 24-hour timer let you customize comfort from anywhere in the room. With 3 fan speeds, auto swing, and whisper quiet operation, it balances performance with peace. It's ideal for hot bedrooms, sunlit living areas, or home offices needing consistent temps. Just note, like most portables, it requires venting through a window or wall, so plan your setup. Engineered for efficiency and ease, this AC doesn't just lower the temperature, it elevates your entire living experience. Number 3. EUHOMY 10,000 BTU Smart Portable AC for 450 square feet. This isn't just another portable AC, it's your all-in-one climate command center. Perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or sun-soaked apartments up to 450 square feet, the EUHOMY 10,000 BTU unit delivers powerful, quiet cooling without the hassle of permanent installation. Unlike clunky competitors, it combines AC, dehumidifier, and fan in one sleek design, plus smart controls, a 24-hour timer, and an intuitive LED display. Feel the difference instantly: crisp airflow, reduced humidity, and energy-efficient comfort at your fingertips. Whether you're working late or winding down, it adapts seamlessly to your rhythm. Installation? A breeze. Just vent through a window and power up. While it's not designed for open-concept lofts or extreme heat waves, it excels where precision matters most. Say goodbye to sweaty nights and hello to effortless cool. EUHOMY doesn't just cool your space, it elevates it. Number 2. SereneLife 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with Dehumidifier. This isn't just another bulky AC unit, it's your personal climate command center. The SereneLife 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner cools rooms up to 380 square feet with precision, doubling as a dehumidifier and fan for year-round comfort. Perfect for renters, apartment dwellers, or anyone avoiding complex installations, it arrives ready to roll, literally, with a sleek, compact design and included window kit. Unlike window units that trap you in one room, this portable powerhouse moves effortlessly on casters, delivering instant relief where you need it most. Feel the difference: whisper-quiet operation, intuitive controls, and rapid cooling that transforms sweltering spaces into serene sanctuaries. While it's not designed for open-concept lofts or extreme desert heat, it excels in bedrooms, home offices, and living areas. Say goodbye to sticky afternoons and hello to effortless comfort, without ductwork, permits, or permanent changes. Stay cool, stay flexible. Number 1. DREO AC 515S 12,000 BTU Smart Portable Air Conditioner. Beat the heat without breaking a sweat, or your budget. The DREO AC 515S delivers powerful, 12,000 BTU OSHRI cooling, 8,000 DOE, in a sleek, portable design that transforms stuffy bedrooms into cool sanctuaries. Perfect for renters, city dwellers, or anyone avoiding window units, this smart AC cools, dehumidifies, and fans, all while operating whisper quiet. Control it effortlessly via app, voice commands, or remote, and enjoy drainage-free convenience thanks to its self-evaporative tech. Unlike bulky competitors, it glides on casters and fits seamlessly into modern spaces. Feel the instant relief as it pulls humidity and heat from the air, creating a refreshing oasis even on scorching afternoons. While it's ideal for rooms up to 400 square feet, larger spaces may need supplemental cooling. But for targeted, intelligent comfort with zero installation hassle? This isn't just an air conditioner, it's your summer game changer. Thanks for watching Best Portable Air Conditioner. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.